All right, a newly printed, hand-colored Banco Boidyo, paid to the order of Mynique Williams, 9,000 Boidyos, Bach. Hey! Exclamation, lost lutefisk. And we have bona fide Boidyos. Bach. Bach is bird speak. Can we get some bird speak over here? Huh? People are napping over there? What's going on? Huh? All right, this is an exchange with a librarian I first worked with in 1999 when she was doing her student placement at the Magnolia branch. Mynique, then Williams, now Mynique Adams. All right, she's going to be rich. 9,000 Boidyos, yes. Let's say hi to the Boidyos. Okay, who do we have here? We have Prime Minister Mazel on the swing. And back there with the kind of white, on top of her head, white feathers, that's His Royal Highness Prince Sippala, Sippy for short, nickname. And in the foreground here, the white bird is Berkey Workey Museum curator, director, art critic, and ornithologist, she, acronym of the CHI acronym for Carol Heather Ivy. Okay, enjoy that millet spray, darling. Okay, good to see everybody.